Hey there! If you're watching this, chances are you're looking to transform your mornings. Well, let me get straight to it. Your morning routine probably sucks. But don't worry, you're not alone. First things first, let's talk about the most common mistake we all make, checking our phones first thing in the morning. Studies have shown that immediately diving into emails, social media, or news can spike your stress levels and hijack your focus. And let's be honest, nobody needs that kind of negativity before breakfast. So, what should you do instead? Here's a science-backed alternative. Start your day with some mindfulness. Whether it's meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes, mindfulness can increase your focus, reduce stress, and put you in a better mood. Apps like Headspace or Calm are great tools to guide you through this process. Next up, hydration. A lot of us skip this crucial step. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning can jumpstart your metabolism and boost your energy levels. It's a simple fix that packs a punch. Now let's talk about movement. You don't have to hit the gym for an hour, but some form of physical activity can do wonders. A quick stretch, a 10-minute yoga session, or even a short walk can help increase blood flow and wake up your muscles. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and set a positive tone for the day. And finally, let's not forget about nutrition. Skipping breakfast or grabbing something sugary on the go is a surefire way to crash before noon. Opt for a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast. This combination will keep you full and focused for hours. Alright, let's recap. To transform your morning routine in 2025, ditch the phone, start with mindfulness, hydrate, move your body, and eat a balanced breakfast. These small changes can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. So, are you ready to take control of your mornings? Remember, your mornings set the tone for your entire day, so optimize ruthlessly. Give these tips a try and watch your productivity skyrocket. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a morning makeover. See you in the next one. And don't forget to check out the end screen for more great content.